Yes, have a good day, my dear grade 9 students. I warmly welcome all of you to the Maths with Asri YouTube channel. I am Master Nalanda, a government school maths teacher, as well as GC O level marking examiner. So I believe these videos will be very helpful to upgrade your maths knowledge. So subscribe with Maths with Asri YouTube channel and press bell icon to get notifications of all new videos. Today we are going to discuss your first lesson, number patterns. Okay, uh, do the paper in the description list and check your answers with this video and upgrade your maths knowledge about number pattern lesson. Okay, let's start with the question number 1. Find 5th, 8th, and 12th terms term the number patterns of the given general terms. Yes, few general terms are given. You have to find 5th, 8th, and 12th terms in this number patterns. Yes, first one is 3n minus 1. 3n minus 1. Then fifth one. If you have to find a fifth term or any term, apply the term number to the n in the number pattern. Apply that term number to the n in the number pattern and then simplify. Yes, then fifth, 3n minus 1. 3 times 5 minus 1. Apply 5 for n. 3 by 5 is 15, minus 1 is 14. Then second they ask 8. 3n minus 1. Apply 8 for n. 3 times 8 is 24, minus 1 is 23. For the 12th, 3n minus 1. 3 times 12 minus 1. 3 times 12 is 36, minus 1 is 35. Then 4n plus 1. 4n plus 1. Fifth, 4n plus 1, write the general term again. 4 times 5 plus 1. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21. 8. 4n plus 1. 4 times 8 plus 1. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 1 is 33. 12th, 4n plus 1. 4 times 12 plus 1. 4 times 12 is 48, plus 1 is 49. Third is 100 minus 2n. Fifth term, 100 minus 2n. 100 minus 2 times n is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 100 minus 10 is 90. Pudha, can you simplify this as 100 minus 2 is 98. 98 times 5. 98 times 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 0 remain in 4. 5 times 9 is 45 plus 4 is 49. Can you simplify this as subtracting firstly 2 from 100, then multiplying by 5? Can you take the answer 490? Yes. What is the correct answer? Is that 90 or 490? Yes. Yes, Fuda. You should do this multiplication firstly according to the Bodmer's rule. You should do this multiplication firstly. You can't subtract before the multiplication. So first of all, you have to multiply 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Then 100 minus 2 by 5 is 10. 100 minus 10 is 90. 100 minus 10 is 90. Yes. Then you know that 490 answer is wrong. Okay. Then 8th term of that. 8th term of that. 100 minus 2n. 100 minus 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 100 minus 16 is 84. 84. Yes, 12th one. 100 minus 2n. 100 minus 2 times 12. 2 times 12 is 24. 100 minus 24 is 76. 76. Yes. Fourth one is, fourth general term given is 2n plus 3. Fifth. 2n plus 3. 2 by 5 plus 3. You want to find fifth term. So apply 5 for n. 2 by 5 plus 3. 2 by 5 is 10 plus 3 is 30. 8th. 2n plus 3. 2 by 8 plus 3. 2 by 8 is 16 plus 3 is 19. Yes, then 12th one. 12th term. 2n plus 3. 2 by 12 plus 3. 2 by 12 is 24 plus 3 is 27. Okay. Yes, then final one, 5n minus 2. 5n minus 2. Fifth, 5n minus 2. 5 times 5 minus 2. 5 times 5 is 25 minus 2 is 23. 5n minus 2. 5 times 8 minus 2. 5 times 8 is 40. Minus 2 is 38. Then 12th one. 5 times 12. Sorry. Write general term firstly. 5n minus 2. 5 times 12 minus 2. 5 times 12 is 60. Minus 2 is 58. Yes. These are the answers for question number 1. Check your answers and recorrect if there are mistakes, and let's go for the next question. Yes, we are going to discuss question number 2. You have to write the general terms of these given number sequence. There are a few number sequence. You have to write the general term. Yes, let's discuss what is general term. General term mean that is like the identity of a number pattern. Identity. You know that when identity is given of a person, we can obtain all the details of that person via the identity card. His name, birthday, place of birth, other names like that. Most of factors we can obtain through his identity card. General term also like that. When the number pattern is given, we can obtain the general term, as well as if the general term is given, we can obtain any term and all the details about the number pattern. What is the starting number, first term, and the second term, third term, or 10th term. If the place of any term given place of any term in the number pattern, as well as the given number is a term or not in this number pattern, like that we can obtain so much details about this number pattern using that given general term. Yes, okay. Then here few number patterns are given. You have to build up the general terms for this. Yes, let's see how to build up the general term for a number pattern. That is very easy, Putha. That is very easy. Yes, first of all, check that is that number pattern has a common difference. Yes, 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 4 is 24. So that number pattern has a common difference. Then let's see how to build up the general term using that common difference. Okay, consider any two successive terms, okay, then subtract previous one from the first one. Then I write the common difference as CD here. Common difference, subtract previous one from first one. So 24 minus 20. So the common difference is 4. Common difference is 4. Then to write the general term, 4n, apply n for that common difference and check what you should do to build up this first term. What you should do, then here 4n, then when n is 1, 4 times 1 is 4. Here the first term is 12. So you should add another 8 for this. So the general term is 4n plus 8. Yes, again look at here. Find the common difference. Apply n for that. And then find what you have to do to get the first term when n is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. So this term becomes 4. First term is 12. So you should add another 8 to build up that. Yes. Okay. Then let's check this number general term is correct or not. We need to find first one. Apply n for 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 8 is 12. First term is okay. Yes. Let's check that for second term also. 4 multiplied by 2 plus 8. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 plus 8 is 16. Yes, okay, very good. Second term is 16. Yes, shall we check for that fourth one? Will be that 24. 4 by 4 plus 2 plus 8. 4 by 4 is 16 plus 8 is 16 plus 8 is 24. 24. That's also okay. Then 4n plus 8 is okay for the first number pattern. That is general term of first number pattern is 4n plus 8. Yes, for the second one. 2, 5, 8, 11. 2, 5, 8, 11. Yes, that has a common difference. No, that is increasing by 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Like that. Then select any two successive terms. I considered here 5 and 8. Subtract previous one from post one. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then build up general term using this common difference. Then 3n, apply n for this 3. Then find the first term, that is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. To build up 2, subtract 1. 3n minus 1. Yes. Shall we check this general term for the second term also? Yes. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 is 6. Minus 1 is 5. For third one also, 3 by 3 is 9. Minus 1 is 8. For the fourth term also, 3 by 4 is 12. Minus 1 is 11. Yes. Okay. Third number pattern 1, 4, 9, 16. Yes, you can see here this number pattern has not a common difference. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. So that has not a common difference. Then what to do here? Yes, not a common difference means we can't apply this method to obtain the general term. Yes, can you remember the name for this number pattern? You have learned this from grade 6. You have learned this from grade 6. Yes, in the number pattern lesson. Yes, this is, yes, square number pattern. Yes, very good. This is the number pattern, square number pattern. These are the square numbers. Square numbers 1 by 1 is 1, 2 by 2 is 4, 3 by 3 is 9, 4 by 4 is 16. So yes, general term for that is, yes, very good. You have to remember that n squared. N squared is the general term. Yes, what are the another number patterns you have to remember general terms? Yes, yes. Even number pattern. Even number pattern. Even number pattern means 2, 4, 6, 8. General term is 2n. 2n. 1, 3, 5, 7. Yes, what is this? Odd number pattern. Odd number pattern. Yes. Then general term 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. Another one 1, 3. Yes, what is next? 6, 10. What is this? Yes, very good. That is triangular number pattern. Triangular number pattern. N times n plus 1 divided by 2. N times n plus 1 divided by 2. Yes. Question number 4. Question number 4. 6, 11, 16, 21. Yes, another number pattern again that has a common difference. Another number pattern again has a common difference. Common difference is, yes, consider any two successive terms, subtract previous one from first one. Yes, common difference is 5. Apply n for that. 5n. 5n. Then to build up the first term, add 1 again. 5n plus 1. Let's check, will that give the fourth term? 5 times 4 plus 1. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21. Yes, good. Then the general term for the fifth one, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes. Common difference is 10. Consider any two successive terms, subtract previous one from first one. Then 10, apply n, 10n. To build up this 20, add 10. 10n plus 10. Yes, these are the answers for question number 2, and that is the method of building up the general term for any given number pattern. Yes, Puta, check your answers and remember how to build up the general term for a number pattern. Yes, Fuda. Question number 3. The general term is given. We have to find the nth term, and second is which term is 31. Third is n plus 1 term. Yes, okay, let's see this. General term is given as 4n minus 1. 4n minus 1. We have to find 20th term. 20th term. Then 4 times 20 minus 1. 4 times 8. 4 times 20 is 80. Minus 1 is 79. Second one, which term is 31? Yes, very good. This question, which term is 81? Sorry, which term is 31? Then the term number, the term is given We have to find the place of that. Which term is 31? Then let's check how to find the term number. Term number. Yes, then Puta equalize this given general term for this for that number. 4n minus 1 equal 31. Then simplify this equation. Then you will receive the place of that term. You will receive the place of that term for the n. Okay. Yes. Let's simplify this. How to simplify? 4n minus 1 equal 31. Apply plus 1 to both sides. Minus 1 cancels for plus 1. 4n equal 32. Divide both sides by 4. 4 cancels. N equal 8. So 31 is the eighth term. Then third they ask n plus 1 term. That's also same. When you find the 20th term, you apply 24n. You apply 24n. If you have to find 50th term, apply 54n. If you have to find 100th term, apply 104n. Then if you have to find n plus 1 term, apply n plus 1 for n. Then 4n plus 1 is the general term. 4n minus 1. Apply n plus 1 for n. 4 times n plus 1 minus 1. Then 4 times n is 4n plus 4 minus 1. Plus 4 minus 1 is 4n. Plus 4 minus 1 is plus 3. This is the answer for n plus 1 term. Okay. Then check your answers for question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 4. That is about an application of general terms. Number patterns. Yes. Question number 4. Hasita's starting salary is 32,000 rupees. At the beginning of every year, 2,500 rupees will be added to the salary. Yes. Starting salary is 32,000. 32,000. At the beginning of every year, 2,500 will be added. Then his salary in the second year will be 2,500 should be added to this 34,500. In the third year, another 2,500, 37,000. In the fourth year, another 2,500, 39,500. Like this, his salary will be increased. Then this is the number pattern of increase in his salary. Yes. Then question number 1. Find the salary at the beginning of the third year. First year, second year, third year. His salary will be 37,000. 37,000. Question number 2. Derive a general term to represent his salary increment. Yes, very good. We have discussed this in question number 2. Question number 2. How to derive a general term for a given number pattern. Yes. Puta, consider any two terms and find the common difference. Here we don't want to consider two terms because the general term common difference was given in the sum. That is 2,500. 2,500. Apply n for that. 2,500 n. Then how to get this first term? Yes, that is 32,000. How to get this 32,000? Yes, add 29,500. 29,500 for 2,500. Then 2,500 plus 29,500 will be 32,000. Yes. In which year he will receive 42,000 rupees? Yes. We have to find the place place of 42,000 in this number pattern. In this number pattern, which term will be 42,000? Yes, that is very easy. I have explained you in the third question. That is, already we have built up here the general term 2,500 in plus 29,500, that is equal 42,000. 42,000. Subtract 29,500 from both sides. This will be cancelled for this one. 2,500 in equal 42,000 minus 29,500. That will be 12,500. Divide both sides by 2,500. Will be cancelled in 5. Then in the fifth year, his salary will be 42,000. Yes, already we have find here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to fourth year. His salary up to fourth year we have obtained here. That is 39,500. Yes, let's add another 2,500. Can we get this 42,000? 0, 0, 0, 2, 4. Yes, his salary in fifth year is 42,000 rupees. 42,000 rupees. Then question number 4 is over. Check your answers with these answers. Question number 5. That's also an application of number patterns. An athlete who trains for a race runs 1,200 meter on first day, and second day onwards run 100 meter. Yes, he runs 1,200 in first day, and by 100 meter onwards on second day also. And then let's write. Let's build up this number pattern. 1,200 in first day, another 100 meter in second day mean 1,300, another 100 meter in third day is 1,400, like that. Then total distance running first 3 days. Sum of these three, let's add 1,200, 1,300, 1,400. 1,200 plus 1,300 is 2,500 plus 1,400 is 3,900. 3,900 meters. Question number 2. General term to show the distance ran. Then general term you have to build up. Consider any two successive terms. Subtract previous one from first one. Then 100 becomes, then apply n for that. 100 then here 1,200. 100 then 1,200. How to get this? Plus 1,100. 1,100. Yes. Question number 3. The day which he runs 2,300 meters. The day which he runs 2,300 meters. Yes. Equalize this general term to 2,300 and simplify this equation. You will receive the day as the answer for n. 1,000 plus 1,100, subtract 1,100 from both sides, will be cancelled. 100 then equal 1,200, divide by 100, n equal to L. N equal to L. Then he will run 2,300 meters in 12th day. 12th day. Yes. Okay. Check your answers for the recorrect if there are mistakes, and let's go for the next question. Yes. Question number 6. That is to find the common difference. Yes, already we know to find the common difference and we know to build up the general term also using common difference. That is very simple. Yes, okay, let's see, Puta. First is 5, 8, 11, 14. Then how to find common difference? Consider any two successive terms, subtract previous one from post one. Then subtract this 8 and 11, 8 and 11. Then subtract previous one from first one. 11 minus 8 is 3. Yes, here consider any two terms. Subtract previous one from post one. Yes, look at here. Previous one from post one. Post one is 120 minus 130. Then what is common difference? You can't subtract 120 from 130. Then how to find? Subtract small one from this large one and give the symbol of large one. Small one is 120, large one is 130. Then the difference is 10. Give the symbol of large one, minus 10. Common difference is minus 10. Yes. Remember that common difference may be a positive whole number, positive integer, or a negative integer, or a fraction, or a decimal. Okay, like that, or a algebraic term. Okay, yes. Question number 3. CD, common difference. Consider two terms. Subtract previous one from first one. 5.5 minus 4 is 1.5. I don't go right here. Then same CD. Every time consider we have to subtract previous from post, not from small one, large one, small one from large one. Okay. So if the previous one is though the previous one is large or small, we have to subtract that from post one. Then previous one is 47.5. Post one is 45. Previous one is 47.5. Subtract previous one from post one. Post is 45, previous is 47.5. Then you know the difference is 2.5. Symbol of large one is minus 2.5. This is CD. Consider two terms. Subtract previous from post. 25 minus 13 is 12. Then already here we have find the general common differences of 5 general terms. 5 general terms. Check your answers with these general terms. Remember very carefully. The most important thing in this is you should not subtract small one from large one. Okay. The great mistakes done by students is they subtract every time. Every time they try to subtract small one from large one. That is not the correct way. Subtract every time. Subtract previous term from post one. Though the previous one is small or large, you have to subtract previous one from post one. Okay, you can't change that for your easy. For your easy, you can't change. You can't subtract small one from large one. Every time you have to remember, you have to subtract previous one from post term, though the previous term is a large or small one than the post term. Okay, yes. Check your answers. Yes, Sudha. We are going to discuss the 7th question. First term is given T1 equal 5. T1 means the first term, term 1, that is 5. Common difference CD, D is 4. Then in question number 1, they asked to find first 5 terms. First 5 terms. Yes. First term is 5, that is given. Second term, add 4 to this previous term, first term. 5 plus 4 is 9. Add again 5, 13. Add again 4, again 4. Add 4. Add 4, 17. Add 4, 21. These are the first 5 terms of this number pattern. Then question number 2, obtain a general term. Obtain a general term. Common difference is given 4. Apply n for that, for n. Then you have to find fifth term, 4n plus 1. First term is 5. First term is 5. To get that, 4 plus 1. Apply plus 1. That is general term, 4n plus 1. Find n plus 1 term. N plus 1 term. Then general term is 4n plus 1. Apply n plus 1 for this n plus 1. 4 times n is 4n plus 4 plus 1. 4n plus 4 plus 1 is plus 5. Plus 5. So this is the n plus 1 term. Yes. Yes, Sudha. These are the answers for question number 7. When a term and the common difference is given, how to find this general term and the given terms? Check your answers with these answers for the question number 7. Yes, question number 8. This is the final question in this revision paper. Question number 8. In the number sequence, general term is 2n plus 1 and t10 is 21. Yes. Now I want to given here t10. General term is enough. General term is 2n plus 1. Find common difference. Yes, you know that if the general term is 2n plus 1, common difference is 2. Common difference is 2. Then second one, find first 5 terms. First 5 terms. 2n plus 1. First term. 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. First term is 3. Second term, 2 by 2 plus 1. 2 by 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Third term, 2 by 3 plus 1. 2 by 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Then consider this pattern, 3, 5, 7. Next term, 3, 5, 7. Adding by 2. Then fourth term should be, yes, plus 2 again, 9. Fifth term will be plus 2 again, 11. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These are the general terms. These are the first 5 terms. Then third part, yes, that is a printing mistake, Buddha. That is not a part in this question. Yes. So, my dear students, today we discussed your first term, number patterns. So, I think that will be very helpful to upgrade your knowledge. So, thank you very much for watching this video. I think this will be very helpful for your upcoming term tests. So, subscribe my YouTube channel, Maths with Asari, and join with me. And wait for new videos also. I think I will be able to build up your maths knowledge through these videos. So let's meet again with a new video for another lesson. Have a nice day. So goodbye. See you again.